Hello everybody, so welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Pamela and I film all kinds of different content. I make plant videos, I make bag videos, I make life videos, guys. What really is YouTube about? It's about sharing your life. So yeah, subscribe if you aren't already. Join my little cookie family. We're pretty cool over here, you know. A little Haitian girl in New York just living her best life. Today's video I have something very exciting that I would like to film, and it is a bag unboxing. If you know, you most likely already know her. Her name is Mel Soldera, hashtag Mel made me buy it. She has struck again. I have fallen for yet another bag that she's recommended, and I've spent my hard-earned dollars to purchase this bag, and now I have a summer fall bag that I can rock unapologetically and happily and pridefully, because I did not spend thousands of dollars. Like, it's, you know, it's cost, well, I'm sorry, I'm exaggerating, hundreds of dollars like it's costing right now. And this bag is inside of this other bag, and if you're interested in seeing what I purchased, what hashtag Mel made me buy, then keep on watching. Okay, so to start off, I'm just going to cut this open. Just, I guess, a little backstory. I purchased this bag on eBay. I did a whole bidding war, and I'll leave the information of how much I purchased this bag in the description box below. And the bag is like so. Bloop. It comes wrapped in tissue paper. Like this. And if you have not been able to guess yet, it's a backpack, but not just any backpack, a Prada backpack. Oh my gosh, yes, it's this is a brown nylon Prada backpack, and it's so cute, and I am so excited to be rocking it. I'll do like zoom in and close up of like details, but like it says like Prada here on this little belt hook thing. It's not gonna focus on it, but there, okay. Right there, and it does it on the other side too. You can see. And this is how the front looks. It has the Prada like emblem, label, and whatnot, and it actually conveniently it opens with one of these magnetic clasps like so, and this is the inside of it, what it looks like right now. It has one zipper pocket, and again it has the Prada right here, and all on the inside the lining is a cloth material, and it says Prada, 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 and it's 4 o'clock. And yeah, and it has 2 little pockets up front that I'm not too sure, you know, if I'll ever use, but I'll probably like stick like chapstick and like candy or gum inside of it. Nothing important like my cell phone. And again, this is literally like new. Literally like new. It didn't come with a dust bag, but it's okay, you know. I have like other dust bags. I can probably double this bag with another bag if and when I want to like store it. It's like if I'm not using it. So yeah, it has these 2 little straps, and it has like the little belt hook situation. It's adjustable, but this is the shortest that it can go on you, so it's a pretty slouchy down bag, but it's whatever, it's cute. So guys, this is my bag. I'm so excited. Hashtag Mel made me do it, Mel Soldera. Let her know that, you know, if you've never heard of her, let her know that I sent you, so she can know that, you know, I love her channel. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video on my unboxing of my new summer fall backpack the Prada, I'll leave the exact details of it. I don't know what model brand type this is, but it's one of these Prada backpacks, and it's pretty cool. I'm not like a bag connoisseur, but I like to maybe get myself a new bag like once a year or every couple of years or so, depending on if I like anything. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Share this video if you love bag unboxings, because I sure diddly do. And yeah, so subscribe, join my little cookie family. We're pretty cool over here. And yeah guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.